Tony! Tony, the door!
Just a second.
Why is this lock still broke? Piece of shit. Tony,
For the
what
love
the
of-
fuck are you doing?
Nice to see you too.
What's that smell?
I'm cooking.
You call the landlord?
Baby, why don't you just rest a moment?
The call, Tony.
You've been working all day, just take a seat and I'll have dinner out in a few.
You are here all day, Tony. The call.
You know, I actually did a lot today.
Tony.
I cleaned the house, washed the dishes, cleaned your sink.
Tony.
So, do you want to know what I did today or no?
Tony!
No, Becca, I did not call the landlord. I'll call him tomorrow.
You said that yesterday.
Yeah, and today I'm saying I'll do it tomorrow.
That's convenient how that works. Huh?
Can you hand me the bin?
Hand you the bin? The bin's right there.
Becca, can you please hand me the bin?
I've been home for 2 minutes, Tony. You've been sitting around all day.
I'm making dinner.
Oh, wow! Dinner!
Becca, the bin. The fucking bin, please. Ah, shit.
Here's your fucking bin.
What the fuck?
Are you smoking again?
No, I don't know. I need a bandage or something.
So what are these on the floor? You're a fucking liar.
I don't give a shit, Beck. I need a bandage or something.
Who's paying for those, huh? I come home every day feeling like shit, so you can roleplay as an aspiring chef.
Fuck, yes, I'm smoking again. No, I didn't call the landlord, and sometimes I just wish I had a second to myself, you know, to think, or to clear my head without all the headache of all the fucking questions in the world.
Trey? How'd you remember?
Remember what?
My suit.
I listen sometimes.
Work's just been shitty and, you know, the lock, the fucking lock.
I know.
You know, but nothing changes.
I'm sorry. I really am. I should have called him, and I should not have blown up on you like that.
Yeah. And I shouldn't have thrown a garbage bin at you.
Yeah, probably not. But it might leave a cool mark, though. You know, big fat bruise. Something manly that all the guys will be jealous of.
Oh, for sure.
Okay, how about this? We go back inside, you tell me about your day and everything that's going on, all bins stay on the ground. And in about 30 minutes, we can have some of Beck's fave soup.
Fuck! Tony! Can you please call the landlord?